Hey there, tech lovers. Welcome back to Gadget Geek Reviews. Today, we're diving into the 6 coolest gadgets you can buy on Amazon. From smart tech to must-have accessories, these gadgets are game changers, and the best part is, they are just a click away. Make sure to stick around to discover some truly unique finds, and remember, all product links are in the description below if you want to check them out. DJI Air 3. Introducing the DJI Air 3 Fly More combo with DJI RC2, a game-changer for aerial photography and videography enthusiasts. Equipped with dual 4K primary cameras, this versatile drone captures breathtaking 48MP photos and ultra-clear 4K video, ensuring that every shot is as stunning as your vision. With 3 intelligent batteries, the Air 3 delivers an impressive extended flight time, allowing you to capture more moments without the need for frequent recharges. Experience unprecedented control with the DJI RC2 remote, boasting 20 km max video transmission, so you can explore and film from a distance without losing clarity or control. The Air 3 is FAA Remote ID compliant, offering peace of mind while adhering to airspace regulations. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or a drone hobbyist, this powerful, compact drone gives you the tools to elevate your creativity to new heights. Get ready to soar with the DJI Air 3 Fly More combo, where limitless adventure meets professional-grade quality. LED desk lamp. Transform your workspace with a LED desk lamp for office and home, a smart lighting solution designed to enhance productivity and comfort. Perfect for dual-screen setups and drafting tables, this eye-caring architect lamp features a versatile clamp that secures to your desk, freeing up valuable workspace. With a 24W power output, it delivers bright, even light that reduces eye strain, ideal for long hours of work or study. The gooseneck design offers full flexibility, allowing you to adjust the lamp to your exact lighting needs. Featuring 5 adjustable color modes, this lamp provides the right light for any task, whether you need warm, relaxing tones or crisp, focused light for detail work. Effortlessly control brightness and color temperature to create an environment that boosts your concentration and creativity. Smart, stylish, and functional, this LED desk lamp is the ultimate upgrade for students, designers, and anyone looking to elevate their workspace lighting. Fat Max Power Claw. Meet the Stanley 32050 Fat Max Power Claw, a powerful, compact solution for all your on-the-go power needs. This rugged clamping power strip features 3 grounded outlets, letting you power multiple tools, devices, or chargers simultaneously. Designed to clamp securely onto desks, workbenches, and more, the Power Claw is built with durability and convenience in mind, making it the perfect companion for workshops, garages, and even outdoor projects. The Fat Max Power Claw's bright yellow color offers high visibility, so you'll never lose track of your essential power source in busy work environments. Its strong grip and versatile clamping mechanism ensure a stable hold on surfaces up to 2 inches thick, while the grounded outlets provide safe, reliable power distribution wherever you need it. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, professional contractor, or simply need a portable power solution, the Stanley Fat Max Power Claw is built to deliver energy right where it's needed, turning any workspace into a powerhouse. KeyUnity KF02. Introducing the KeyUnity KF02 Titanium Multi-Tool Carabiner Clip, a sleek, durable companion for any adventure. This 7-in-1 powerhouse is crafted from premium titanium, blending rugged strength with a lightweight design that's perfect for camping, hiking, or everyday carry. Its multifunctional capabilities make it much more than just a carabiner, with an integrated flashlight, bottle opener, pry tool, screwdriver, and wrench. This multi-tool is built to tackle any task that comes your way. The KF02's LED flashlight provides reliable lighting when you need it most, whether you're navigating dark trails or finding your way around a campsite. Designed with convenience in mind, this compact tool attaches effortlessly to your keychain, backpack, or belt loop, so it's always within reach. For outdoor enthusiasts and urban explorers alike, the KeyUnity KF02 Titanium Multi-Tool Carabiner Clip combines practicality and style in a single, reliable tool, empowering you to be prepared, no matter where life takes you. 40W Fast Charging Station. Say goodbye to cluttered cords and hello to powerful, organized charging with the 40W Fast Charging Station Desk Clamp Power Strip. This sleek, compact charging solution is designed to fit neatly on tabletops up to 1.6 inches thick, making it the perfect addition to any desk, workstation, or creative space. With 4 PD USB-C ports, you'll enjoy fast, efficient charging for all your essential devices, from phones and tablets to laptops. In addition to the USB ports, this power station offers 5 AC outlets, providing reliable power for your larger devices, tools, or peripherals without the hassle of multiple power strips. The 6-foot cord gives you the flexibility to position it exactly where you need it, whether on your work desk or gaming station. This all-in-one charging station keeps everything powered and organized, ensuring you stay connected and productive. Sleek, efficient, and designed to optimize your workspace, this desk clamp power strip is the ultimate solution for modern charging needs. Delta Faucet Hydro Rain. Transform your shower experience with the Delta Faucet Hydro Rain 5 Spray Touch Clean 2-in-1 Rain Shower Head in Chrome. This luxurious dual-head shower system delivers the best of both worlds, an overhead rain shower for a spa-like drenching experience and a powerful hand shower for targeted, customizable coverage. With 5 unique spray settings, including full body, massaging, and drenching rain, you can tailor each shower to your mood and needs. The Hydro Rain's innovative touch clean nozzles allow you to wipe away mineral buildup with a simple touch, keeping your shower fresh and spotless with minimal maintenance. Its chrome finish adds a sleek, modern look to any bathroom, while the easy, tool-free installation lets you upgrade your shower instantly. Ideal for relaxing after a long day or energizing your morning routine, the Delta Hydro Rain 2-in-1 brings a high-end spa experience right to your home. Elevate your everyday with this versatile, powerful shower head built to refresh and rejuvenate. Thanks for tuning into Gadget Reviews. We hope you enjoyed exploring these incredible gadgets. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest finds. And as always, links to each gadget are available in the description if you want to grab yours today. See you in the next video.